Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Dawn and Dyra here, back at you again, doing a how-to video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and I miss doing them, so I just wanted to get back to sharing more value and letting my audience know how to do things with their internet business, with their online business. I get a lot of questions on email marketing and how to create messages. Well, today we're using Aweber. I use Aweber. If you want to know how to use GetResponse or any other email marketing tool, there's other videos out there that you can look up. So with all that being said, right now I'm at messages. You come into Aweber, click on messages. This is going to be very simple, very easy. You want to click on create a message. Click on create a message, let it load. Okay, come into the subject line. Let's say that you just sent out a free report, a free PDF. Someone just came through your capture page and you're sending them a free report. Put in the subject line, here is your free, I'll put free. Here's your PDF report. Because Aweber, they act funny when you use certain words. That's another video for another time. Here is your PDF report. You requested. No, see, I don't like that. Here is the PDF you requested. Okay, you can personalize it. I do like to personalize it all the time. Some people just use an email where they're not capturing a first name, so there's no need for them to actually personalize it. But all you have to do is put in first name. You don't want to do full name. Just put in the first name. Some people, I've seen people do email address because they only do email address, but I like to use a first name that's more personal to me. That's what we do. Okay? So just say hi. Here, congratulations. Let's say congratulations on your free PDF. You requested, congratulations on your, I didn't spell requested right. Congratulations. Here is your free. Here is your free PDF report. Let's put report. Report. And this is just very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Why can't I spell report? This is very simple, very easy. I'm really not going to keep this video too long. If you have any questions, just respond to this email. Talk soon. Dawn and Dyra. That's it. As simple as that. Make sure you get rid of this down here. That's something AWeber put. You can delete that. Put in a phone number so people know that you're a real person. Let's see. This is not my real number, so don't try to call it. Okay. And you can also, you may want them to connect with you. So put in something like connect with me on Facebook. Okay, this is just a little bonus I'm adding here. Okay, connect with me on Facebook. You want to hyperlink it. You just click on this. You put in a URL. Let me see. I'll just put in. I think that's my Facebook page. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay. And then I always love to put an image on this particular laptop. I don't have any images. I need to put some in. Let me delete that. I hate when that happens. We want it to go underneath here. Let's go. Thank you. Yep. Then you want to click on not upload an image. I'm not going to click on upload an image because I don't have any images on this laptop. So I'm just going to go to image gallery. If I had any images in AWeber, you would click on my images. And these images, they're actually from AWeber, but they went in here. So let's just choose this. That's not mine, but that's what I love about AWeber though. You just go in, boom, do it like that. And it's so simple. So this is, hold on. Yeah, okay, that's what I was looking for. That's a bit too big for me. So I'm gonna click on thumbnail, click on left because it looks better, much cleaner that way. And yeah, look it over. Say, here's the PDF you requested. Jim, whatever. Hi, congratulations. Here, see, I didn't spell that right. You always want to look over and make sure you spell everything correctly. Congratulations. Here's your free PDF report. If you have any questions, just respond to this email. Talk soon. Dawn and Dara. Leave your phone number. Contact me on Facebook. I don't have the report. But if you had the report, you would do the same thing as we did with Facebook. You would hyperlink it, or what would have happened most of the time is that they already have the report. So you can actually reword this. Let me see. I don't want to delete it all. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. Look for your free PDF report in your inbox, because once they came through the capture page, it should already be there. So congratulations. Look for your free PDF report in your inbox. Okay, if you have any questions, just respond to this email. Dawn and Dara, connect with me on Facebook. We got our picture here, and let's click on save and exit because we're happy with it. All right, actually I think I went a little bit too quick. But it's all good because you can go back and go to edit. I wanted to show you how you could preview. Okay, preview and test. You would click on preview and test. Sent test. So that means it went to my email account. Let's go here and check. I don't think I actually did it, did I? That was one I did before I was testing. No, so let's click on send test. Sending, sent. It has to say sent, and it'll let you know. Okay. This is all real time, ladies and gentlemen. I do everything in real time. Okay, so here it is. Here is the PDF you requested. Display image below. Congratulations. Look for your free PDF report in your inbox. If you have any questions, respond to this email. Talk soon. Blah, blah, blah. Now, I'm not sure. Let's see if this is my real Facebook page. Boom. There it is. Dawn and Dara here. Back at you again. Okay. Okay, so you're happy with that. And just click on Save and Exit. You're happy with that. Then you want to click on Send Options. Add to follow-up series. That's what you want to do. And click on Add to follow-up series. It's loading. Let it load. Boom. And right here, it'll tell you send immediately. So once they come through your capture page, they were getting that free report. As soon as they get that free report, this is just showing you how to create a message. I'm not showing you how to build up a sales funnel and do the pages and all that. That's a different video for a different time. So your message is done. That's all it took. You're good. You're done. All right. This is Dawn and Dara here, back at you again. If you have any questions on this video, just hit me up on Facebook. Right here on Facebook, Dawn and Dara Williams. You can hit me up on Facebook. Send me a message. Let's talk. Let's build. Let's get you on and rocking and building your business. I love you guys. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.